Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I did my pop smoke braids. So if you want to see that, please stay tuned to the video. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell. Okay, to do this style, you need some braiding hair, some edge control, some clips, a comb, and some scrunchies. Okay guys, so first thing first, I am going to part my hair down the middle into two. And yeah, we basically gonna just part our hair down the middle into two right now. Okay guys, so now that we're done parting our hair down the middle, we're going to part our hair along our ear. So we're going to part down to our ear, and then we're going to tie that section away and do pretty much the same on the other side. Okay guys, so this back section, I am pretty much going to part it down to create two parts, just like I'm showing you right now. So pretty much what I did, you guys, I parted my hair into four, and once I parted into four, I took all four of those pieces and parted again into two to make 8 sections. So that's all you have to do. Just part your hair into 4 sections and then take those 4 sections and part your hair into 2, and then you're gonna have 8 sections. So as you can see right now, I am pretty much going to take this front section and part it into 2, and then I'll begin to, braid it. Okay guys, so right now I'm just putting a little edge control on there. I'm using the Carol's Daughter black vanilla edge control, and you guys, if I tell you, this edge control is the bomb. I love it because it smells good, and on top of it, it doesn't flake up. So I definitely love this edge control. I will leave the information to this edge control down in the description bar if you guys will be interested in purchasing it. But right now, you guys, I am braiding my hair, and as I go along, I just constantly keep adding braiding hair into it, and pretty much as I continue to add braiding hair into my hair, the braid will get, bigger and thicker. So yeah, you guys, this takes some technique doing this. If you're not a braider, this video technically is not beginner friendly, but it's just pretty much kind of giving you a technique on how to part your hair and to do the actual pop smoke, style. Okay guys, so right now I am moving to the other side to braid it. And you guys, I must say this side was really tough for me to do. I don't know why it was so tough for me to do, but somehow I just could not get it neat. I couldn't, get it braided correctly, but eventually I got it. It took me a while. I don't know why, especially that I've been braiding hair for over 20 years, and somehow I just could not get this side braided. But by the grace of God, I got it done. But yeah, you guys, so as I stated, on the other side, I constantly just keep adding braiding hair in. And to do this style, you guys, you have to have braiding hair already prepared on the side so that you can just grab it and just braid it into your hair, because if not, you're gonna have a tough time. Okay guys, so this is my last one, so I'm finishing up with braiding my hair. So to do this style, I did use like 1.5 pack of braiding hair. You can use less if you use less hair, but I did use 1.5 packs of braiding hair. Okay guys, so now that I'm done, I'm going to take these little blue rod rollers and roll the end of my braids up and to make like a spiral on the end. And what I'm going to do, I am going to dip it in hot water off camera and take the rollers out, and then they'll be, you know, curly in on the end. Alright, to lay those extra little pieces down, I'm just pretty much using my Got2b freeze spray, and then I'm just going to blow dry it down. And then to lay my edges, again I'm using the Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla edge control that I will leave down in the description bar if you guys are interested in purchasing this edge control. But yeah, you guys, so I am pretty much finishing up this look. I'm going to lay my my edges down, and I am going to take out my rod rollers on the end, and yeah, I'm going to be pretty much done this style. Okay, to finish this look up, I am going to put a little Earl Sheen on it, made by Olive Oil, to just give it that extra shine. And yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. I am done with this look. If you guys enjoyed this braiding look, please give this look a thumbs up, and definitely make sure that you hit that subscribe button and notification bell, so every time I come to a new video, you guys will definitely be notified. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.